Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. For the last few years, we have been showing you the best video editing software for beginners, and today we're going to review the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2023, which is the latest in this series. We have already reviewed the 2022 and the 2021 version few months back, and now let's see what this latest 2023 version has to offer. So starting with the Workspace, the Workspace is really easy to understand, and here on the right side, we have the preview window, and here you can change the aspect ratio. On the left side, we have the menu, which includes import, filters, transition, add text and stickers, and then the tool menu. Below it, we have the timeline neatly categorized for the text, video, and the audio. You can also add more tracks as per your choice. So this was the overview of the Workspace. Now let's go through the options. In the import menu, you can add files or import the whole folder. The media bin will show you the imported files. Then we have the sound effects, music, and some sample videos. And apart from that, we have the backgrounds and the effect packages. And like the last time, you need to purchase the effect packages separately. The next menu option is the filters, which are very useful when it comes to video editing. You have the filters categorized here, and you can put these effects in your videos to give them nice look and feel. Inserting a video to the timeline is really easy. Just drag and drop the video file into the timeline. You have the toolbars on the top by which you can cut, rotate, or crop the video. And now to add the filter, just simply drag and drop the filter to the video clip, and you will see this effect icon here. And from here, you can see the applied effects and change the settings if required. There are a lot of filters available in this version, and like the 2022 version, I'm happy with these options. And as mentioned earlier, you can purchase more packs from the official Movavi website at nominal pricing. Now the next option is the transitions. And guys, here also there are a lot of options available, and I can see few new transitions here. The transitions are also neatly categorized, and to apply the transition, just drag and drop the transition in between two video clips. You can adjust the transition timing by simply double clicking on the transition. And guys, the transitions are must when it comes to video editing. And in this video editing software, I find them really good, and you have pretty good options, which is definitely an advantage. Now moving to the next option, which is the text menu. And here you can see the available text titles, and again, the options are sufficient. You can see the preview of the text title on the right side. To add the text, drag and drop the title to the timeline, and then change the text, font, background, and so on. There are numbers of text titles available, and some of them are static, and like this, we have animated text titles, which looks pretty good in the video. Then in the menu we have the stickers, and like always, Movavi video editing software comes with a lot of sticker options. And you have some static stickers as well as animated sticker options. And like the last time, you can also apply an advanced animation and select the start and end point. And that's it. Now you have the animated sticker in your video. Now looking at some other options, then we have the adjustment tools, and here we have the video and the audio editing tools. In the video editing, you have the color adjustment. Apart from that, there are other options such as stabilization, chroma key for green screen, logo, where you can add your own logo for the whole video. And guys, this time we have the AI background removal tool by which you can remove the background without the green screen. So for example, here we have the video where I can remove the background with just one single click. So you can choose the quick method or use the precise method to remove the background. And here you can see it works very well, and I can say it is a very helpful feature. And one more thing, you can also add your own background image file by placing it below the video track, or you can also use it without the background. And then we have the audio editing tools. So once you insert the voice or audio file in the timeline, you can apply the sound autocorrect, and with this, it can enhance the voice recording. Apart from that, we have the audio effects, noise removal tool, and also the compressor, which reduces the volume of loud sounds and amplify the low sound. And now about the new features. In this version, we have the AI denoiser, which removes the wind, car, or any other uncool sound from the audio file. This is a test recording, and as you can hear, there is a lot of background noise. And you can use a denoiser by just selecting the audio track, and under the noise removal tool, you will see two options, default and artificial intelligence. And here, select the AI option. And now, here is the same audio file with the denoiser turned on. This is a test recording, and as you can hear, there is a lot of background noise. So in terms of the layout and features, as usual, I find the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2023 easy to use, and according to me, this is the easiest video editing software for beginners But again, there are no compromises in the options and features. I've been using this video editor for quite some time, and believe me, it's very easy to learn this video editing software. The features we have in this software are definitely one of the best compared to the other softwares available in the market. Movavi Video Editor Plus 2023 is very good for editing your home videos, or if you're a budding creator, then you'll find this software easy to use. And now finally about the rendering and export option. The rendering takes very less time, but again, it depends upon your computer configuration. I have used this software on both Windows and Mac, and the rendering time is less as compared to the other editing software. Now talking about the export options, you can export the raw file in different format. You can also select the device for which you are exporting the video. You can also share the video directly on YouTube. And as mentioned earlier, you can download the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2023 on both Windows and Mac. You can download the software for free from the link in the description below, where you will get 7 days of trial period. And also guys, we'll be giving away 25% discount coupon code to our viewers. And if you want one, then leave a comment down below. So that's it guys, this was the overview of the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2023. Let us know if you like this video, and also if you have any queries or questions about this software, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.